In this video we're looking at counting skills using one-to-one correspondence. A little activity which you can do with your children at home to help them develop the one-to-one correspondence. Here I've got counters, but you can use anything you have at home, any little toys, anything that you might have. Teaching children to manipulate and move the materials so that they're keeping track of their count instead of getting lost in what they've got in their collection. So with your child you would move one counter at a time and practice counting. So for example, we'd move one out and the child would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Now as your children become quite confident and they've got a little bit of one-to-one correspondence as you're moving the counters and they're tracking, a really great way to take that the next step is that as you begin to put out your counters, having them keep track, 1, 2, 3, then start to remove one every now and again. So they're not only rote counting, they're actually keeping track and keeping the one-to-one correspondence, which would look something like this. So we've gone 1, 2, 3, remove one, and the child will then need to say 2. So they're keeping track. Might remove another one and they would need to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. And they're really keeping track of their count. They're noting the one-to-one correspondence as they go. So rote counting can be great, but this really will help your child to have that one-to-one correspondence when they're counting.